Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto comparisons. In this video, we're diving into the world of crypto wallets, comparing the KeepKey hardware wallet against the Jaxx Liberty software wallet. We'll break down their features, user experience, security measures, and target audiences to help you determine which wallet best aligns with your individual cryptocurrency needs. Links to both wallets can be found in the description below. The KeepKey wallet stands out as a hardware wallet engineered with maximum security in mind. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including prominent ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, it's a solid option for individuals holding a diversified crypto portfolio. Its sleek, durable design and generously sized screen contribute to a user-friendly experience, particularly when verifying transactions. KeepKey's seamless integration with Shapeshift facilitates in-wallet exchanges, eliminating the need for external platforms. Its offline storage and PIN protection deliver robust security. However, the absence of Bluetooth or mobile integration makes it more suitable for desktop users who prioritize security above mobile convenience. Alternatively, the Jaxx Liberty wallet is a software wallet recognized for its versatile nature and multi-platform compatibility. Supporting an impressive 80-plus cryptocurrencies, encompassing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide spectrum of altcoins, it caters to users managing a diverse range of digital assets. Available as a mobile app, desktop application, and browser extension, it provides the flexibility needed for on-the-go portfolio management. Built-in portfolio tracking and in-app exchange features simplify asset management. However, as a hot wallet, it's inherently more vulnerable to online threats compared to hardware wallets. While it does offer security features like a 12-word backup phrase for account recovery, the choice ultimately hinges on your priorities. The KeepKey wallet is the perfect fit for users who prioritize security and are comfortable managing their crypto assets on a desktop computer. It's an excellent choice for long-term holders and those new to the world of hardware wallets, offering simplicity and peace of mind. Conversely, the Jaxx Liberty wallet is best suited for users seeking a flexible, multi-platform solution with access to a vast range of cryptocurrencies. It's ideal for active traders or those who require a wallet that seamlessly integrates across multiple devices. To summarize, KeepKey caters to security-conscious users who prefer a hardware wallet, while Jaxx Liberty is designed for those who prioritize versatility and ease of use. Let us know in the comments which wallet best meets your needs and why.